welcome to episode 13 of Dissect the Trade. I'm Steve, and today I'm going to be going over the stack of last week, which could have traded, and then the 4 stocks for the week ending in 11/13/2015. Those 4 stocks are Facebook, Apple, Netflix, and Amazon. But for the stack for last week that you could have traded, I'm showing up. I have pulled up Netflix. The time is set at 10:10. Just zoom this out a little bit. I already have the order placed. Is going to be the November 1st 109 calls. Have it set on a limit order at 235. That may change when I hit play, so let's get started. Alright, so same as usual, I'm looking for my signal on the MACD down here. Go ahead and fast forward this. Alright, we have a cross. It's not really a good cross. This move wasn't really that big. Alright. Alright, I jumped it ahead 10 minutes. So we had gotten in the trade on at 10:15, which was right here. And there's 10 minutes. So now what I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for the 2 minute 2-minute window under the 11 moving average. Alright, let's fast forward another 10 minutes. Alright, here's where we were. Touched, touched, touched. Took off again. Let's fast forward another 10 minutes. Alright. So, looking at this, you can see what we would have gotten out. Okay, there's the first minute, the second. You can say if that touched. You can say here. You would have gotten out. So between 10:41 and 10:42. So, let's go ahead and adjust this real quick. 10:41. It's actually going to be 10:41, 10:42. Alright, so I click on here, create the closing order. Sold for $3.22 and it was bought at $2.29. So just shy of $100. But again, this wasn't that big of a move. This is only what, 2 points or yeah, about $2 move. It wasn't that big, but $93 minus your whatever your commission is. So that is how you could have made the trade on Netflix. Alright, and now for the stocks to go over for next week. We have, first up, Facebook. Again, just like before, it all really depends on the markets, whatever happens. We've kind of been in the crazy bull market. A lot of people are thinking it's going to give away. Others think that it will give way, but won't happen until the beginning of next year. So you just play it day by day. But according to StockTA.com, the last candle here was a doji. At least I believe so. The 5th. No, that would have been Thursday. But according to its candlestick analysis, it says very bearish. And probably so. A little bit of a pullback, seeing how it's making new all-time highs. The only area of resistance that we have is 108.33. For support, you have 105.78, 103.24. Of course, a nice round psychological number of 100. And then we have 99.35. Maybe a little bit of consolidation would expect. All the short-term indicators on here say very bullish. Because it's hit the highs, of course that would be a bearish signal, but like I said, day by day. Next we have Apple. Apple looks like it could possibly start it's going to start making its way back up. Looking at levels of 121.97, 124.14, 125.90. If it gets any higher than that, 128.86, it's possible. On the downside, you're looking at 119.31, 116.38, and heavy support at 111.05. Next we have Netflix. Netflix looks like it's going to keep making its run up. You can see right here at this 115 level, that's going to be experiencing quite a bit of resistance. Doesn't list it right here, but if it breaks through that, that's when we can start seeing the 117.33, 121.47, and 126.45 possibly. Downside, if it can't break it, 111.39, some heavy support at 107.03, falls below that, 104.16, 102.83. And next and finally we have Amazon, which Amazon is in blue sky. No resistance, probably a little bit of consolidation, support 654.95, and possibly resistance at 659.37, which was the closing price. So if it does a little bit of a fall, pullback, that's going to be the new resistance. And if it fails the 654.95, its next area of support is 632.22, which that's an awfully huge move, down move for Amazon. So I would expect a little more consolidation, maybe a tiny bit of a pullback, and if not, then it's going to continue its run. That's it for this week's episode of Dissect the Trade. Good luck trading, everyone, and until next time.